to the markets. The Bank Nifty is doing quite well, 150 points higher. But what are the stocks in focus? Snehi is joining us with that list.
Look at all the stocks that are making a buzz in today's trading session. Let's start by looking at AAS Finance because that stock is up more than 7% as of now. The stock is at a 2-month high as well, and it's on the back of its Q4 numbers, Q4 provisional update. Pardon me, and disbursement is at 18.9 thousand crores, which is up 20% on a year-on-year basis and 39% sequentially. Asset under management also up at 1.73 lakh crores, which is up 22% on a year-on-year basis. The company has added 21 branches in Q4, taking the total branch count to 367. So on the back of these good numbers, the stock is up almost 7.5% as we speak. Next in focus are the city gas distribution companies. On the back of a Nomura note coming in specifically for GAIL and IG. But IGL and MGL are the stocks that are making a buzz in today's trading session. The note says that they expect the EBITDA for IGL to go up 10% sequentially, backed by 6% sequential increase in the gross profit margins and 2% uptick in volumes. They're expecting the EBITDA margins to go up to 7.9 per SCM in Q4 FY24. So on the back of this, IGL is also doing pretty well and MGL is also in focus, and that stock is also up 3.5% as we speak. Next up on the back of a Q4 update is Purvankara that came out with an update today. That stock is up more than 4%. Stellar set of numbers coming in from Purvankara. They've recorded their highest ever annual sales, which is up 90% YOY. Also recorded highest ever quarterly sales in Q4, which is up 93% in this Q4 versus Q4 of last year. They've also achieved highest ever collections in FY24, which is up 60% on a year-on-year basis. Average price realization is also up 2%. So stock is doing pretty well as we speak. Moving on, let's also talk about Rashi Peripherals. The company has received orders worth 1,510 crore from the Hinduja Group backed NMDC data center to supply ICT products. Positive news flow, stock up 4% as we speak. Sheila For is the next big buzzer in today's trading session. That stock is up 3% as we speak. District Consumer Dispute Redressal Commission has announced the order in favor of the company in the matter of an insurance claim, awarding the company a compensation of 21.3 crore rupees along with the interest rate of 10%. Next up, let's also look at Maro on the back of its Q4 operational update. That stock is also holding up smartly in trade, up almost 2.5%. They say that the consolidated revenue grew in low single digits. Strong gross margin expansion is expected on a year-on-year basis. Domestic business has posted a slight uptick in volume growth on a sequential basis. Parachute coconut oil has registered low single-digit volume growth, and Saffola oil has delivered mid-single-digit volume growth as well. So on the back of these Q4 operational updates, Maro also up 2.3% in trade right now as we speak.
Okay.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.